Good afternoon. Welcome to Oklahoma. This is Karen with Karenchasenvintage. I want to start by saying thank you, Tammy, for including me in the Peddlers Train again this time. Now, if you see something that you like, just leave it in the comments and I'll make sure that you get it. All right, everybody, all aboard. Okay, my first item is this beautiful crackle bowl. It's amberina because it's red on top and then orange begins towards the bottom. I'm not sure who made it. There's the pontal. It's very smooth. It was done very well. It is 11 inches across and it stands just at 5.5 inches tall. And it's in beautiful condition, no chips, no cracks, just the crackle that was done purposely. And I am asking $15. So item number 1 is $15 for the crackle bowl. Item number 2 is an assemblage. It's got this teacup on a plate. The cup has been attached to the plate. There's the bottom of the plate. I don't know if you can see it. It says Yada China, made in Japan. And it has this cute little bunnies, and they're sitting on the little red pots. There it is with the little berries. This can be removed. It's just barely kind of tacked on there with a little bit of glue. And I'm asking $18 for item number 2. It's 6 inches, and with all the goodies, it's about 6.5 inches tall. So $18 for the assemblage, item number 2. Item number 3 is this so cute. This is a Tanala coffee mug in the blues. It is no chips, no cracks. It has the cute blue bird on there. There's the Mexico. The inside, I don't think it was ever used. It's just a really cute little Tanala mug for people that like the Tanala, which I do. It is 4 inches tall, 3 inches across on the mouth, and I'm asking $8 for item number 3. $8 for the Tanala mug, item number 3. Item number 4, I think these are the cutest things I've ever seen. These are by Gans. They're bumpkins by Gans, figurines. Look at the cow. How cute is the cow? Here's the little cowboy. These are made in Japan. I guess maybe it's a cowgirl because it looks like she has pigtails. But oh, so cute. Yeah, it's pink, so I guess it's a cowgirl. And then there's this cowgirl. She's churning some butter. So cute. So cute. And then there's the cow. And he's cute. And I have not found any issues with him at all. But I just think they're adorable. So that's item number 4, and I'm asking $8 for item number 4, and that's for the set of 3. $8, item number 4. Item number 5 is this beautiful Dorothy Thorpe lidded candy dish with the silver. The silver is in great condition. There's no issues with it at all. It's great all the way around. No chips, no cracks. This is item number 5. And I am asking $22 for item number 5. The Dorothy Thorpe candy dish, $22. 6.5 inches tall, 6 inches across. So item number 5, $22. Item number 6 is this beautiful Empoli circus tent covered dish, covered pedestal dish, candy jar, whatever you, apothecary, whatever you want to use it for. It's in beautiful condition, no chips, no cracks. There are remnants of the sticker. You can still see the made in Italy. It is in excellent condition. It has the little swirly stem, and it is about 13 inches tall and 7 inches across at its widest point. This is item number 6, and I am asking $28. Item number 6 is $28 for the Empoli, beautiful Empoli dish. Item number 7 is this beautiful Viking Blue Neek pedestal hanky bowl. It is, the highest point is the back here, and it's 7 inches tall, and it's a little over 6 inches wide, and it is just beautiful. It's got that scrumptious ocean blue. It's just, I love this color. It's so pretty. And it is item number 7, $18 for item number 7, the Viking Blue Neek beautiful hanky pedestal bowl. Number 8 is going to be for the set of 4 beautiful needlepoint. They're 6 by 6, framed beautifully, and they're the 4 seasons. We have winter, we have spring, we have summer, and fall. And I am asking $20 for the set of 4, all the seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall. $20. That's number 8, $20. Number 9, I have these beautiful big-eyed girl, highly sought after, framed prints. I cannot pronounce that properly, but that is who did them. They're in really good condition. Let's see, they would be $16 by 8, and they are framed beautifully. There's the people that frame them, and they are ready to go. And I am asking $25 for the pair. Those are the big-eyed girls, and that is number 9. $25 for the pair, number 9. Okay, number 10 is for the Homeco lions. These boys are beautiful. I just love them. They're made by Homeco. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. They're ready to hang. They are a pretty good size. They're about 12 inches tall. But there's a pair of them, and I would like $18 for the pair. $18 for the pair. And this is number 10 for $18 for the Homeco lions. Number 10 for the Homeco lions, $18. Okay, for number 11, this is a miniature nostalgic tea set, and it is China. It's a China tea set, so it's not pottery, it's not plastic, it's actual China. And it is going to be $10. Now, the box has some wear issues, obviously, but The inside, if I can do this, is in really good shape. And it comes in this little collector's tin, if I can get it out. I mean, collector's box. I'll be able to get it out. There we go. It folds up, and it's in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it at all. I just thought I'd do that. Okay. This just sits down in there, but it's in really good condition. There's the plate, or the serving platter. If you have like a Barbie collector or a grandchild or a child that likes to have tea parties, this would be ideal for them. And Barbie, I know, has been kind of famous this year, so that is number 11, the Barbie tea set, the porcelain Barbie tea set. And I want $10 for number 11. Okay, item number 12 is this beautiful embroidery on silk. It is 11.5 by 6, beautifully framed. All the thread work is just gorgeous. It's been framed professionally, ready to hang. This is item number 12, and I'm asking $10 for item number 12, the embroidery. Okay, number 13. This is Indiana Carnival glass in the iridescent blue. It is also in perfect shape. No flea bites, no chips, no cracks. It is very iridescent, very pretty blue. I'm asking $18 for number 13. $18. It is right at 7 inches tall if you go to the top of that. And across it would be almost 7 inches across. So Indiana iridescent blue carnival glass lidded dish, $18. Number 14 is this Empoli twisted, beautiful Empoli red piece. It's like a, I think they call it a hurricane lamp. It's 16 inches tall and it's 5 inches across. There's no issues with it, no chips, no flea bites, no cracks. It's all in perfect condition. I'm asking $22 for the Empoli Hurricane 16-inch, number 14, Empoli Hurricane lamp. Okay, item number 15 is for this etched glass vase. It is cut to clear. That's how it was etched, but it is flashed, but the flash is in great condition. It's 10.5 inches tall. Right at 4 inches across the top, but you can see that it was beautifully done. It has a bubble but no chips, but there's a little bubble there. Whatever that is, that's some kind of smudge that'll come off, I believe. Yeah, sticker residue. But this one I am asking $10, and it is item number 15. Okay, item number 16 is this adorable vase, or planter, I guess. It has the little boy at the seashore. These are supposed to be the waves, and that's the sand. So I just made a little arrangement, added some little seashells and things in there just to give it a more nautical look, I guess. But I'll send it with everything in it, and it all just pulls right out if you don't want it in there. But I think it's so cute. I just love his little innocent face. There's no chips, no cracks. It's not marked on the bottom. There's nothing on the bottom, but It's obviously a Japan piece. These are actual little fishies swimming throughout it. But I think he's adorable. And he is item number 16. And I am asking $9 for item number 16. The little nautical planter. 17 is the whole picture in the blue speckle. I don't see any issues with it. There's no condition issues whatsoever. There's the whole USA. It is, I do have a ruler here. Let me find my ruler. Sitting on it. It is right at 8 inches, like 7.5 inches tall. And the width on it is at 4 if you go to the end of the handle. And it's a whole picture in the blue speckle. And I am asking $8 for the whole picture. $8 for the whole picture. It is number 17. And I think it's so pretty. The two-tone. I like the shape of this handle. That's very unusual. But number 17 for the whole picture, $8. Number 17. Number 18 is for this beautiful blue and burgundy swirled picture with the applied handle. It is about 12.5 inches tall, 5 inches across at the bottom, 4 at the top. What I like about it is the unusual shape of the top. I think it's really pretty. And I love all the colors and the swirls. Very pretty. So this is number 18 and it is $20. Number 18, $20 for the blue swirl. Okay, number 19 is for the two-tiered Homer Laughlin wheat pattern serving plates. Two-tier. There are no chips, no cracks. Everything seems to be in good condition. The gold around the edges is good. There's a little bit of patina aging on the handle and all, but I mean nothing too bad. There's nothing marked on them, but it's definitely made by Homer Laughlin. And this one is going to be $12. And it is number 19, $12 for the wheat plate. Okay, number 20. This is a larger item, but I just fell in love with this roaster. It has the strawberries. It's in fairly good condition. There's a few little spots of wear in the inside around the edges, but it's in really good shape. The handles, what I like about it the most are the handles being located where they are. They're not on the actual end to end. They're kind of on the sides so that when you pick it up, your items are balanced and you're not having to juggle it when you take it out of a hot oven. I love the strawberry pattern. It's in really good shape all the way around. No issues. Now this handle does have more wear than the other side, but it's still in really good shape as far as being able to use it. And it is a larger piece. It's not real heavy, but it is going to be about 15 inches across and 7 inches tall. So that might be an issue as far as shipping, but it's really not that heavy, so I don't think it'll be, and it would fit in a under 20 box, so that will help too. And that is item number 20, and I'm asking $15 for the strawberry roaster, item number 20. Item 21 is for this Blue Goose pitcher, number 21. And it is right at 8 inches tall. The opening is 5. It's in perfect condition. It's item number 21. The marking on the bottom just says USA and a number. But I'm only asking $5 for item number 21, the Blue Goose pitcher. Item number 22 is for this pair of hot pads. These are those little wooden bead hot pads that I think they're so cute. This is item number 22, and I'm asking $7 for the pair. Item number 22. These are 10 inches by 7 inches, so they'll hold a good size hot pot pad thing, whatever you put on them. Or they would look pretty hanging up as well because they are very decorative. So item number 22, $7 for the pair. Number 23 is going to be for a mystery box. This mystery box is going to be full of wearable jewelry. It does say that it was made in England, but it is Macy's, New York, and it does have, I'm not going to show the stuff, but it does have a hinged lid. Anyway, number 23 will be a mystery box full of jewelry, and I am going to ask $8 for number 23. Number 24, this is a 17.5 by 14 crewel of an owl and an oil lamp sitting on a book. Super cute. It's a nice big, that's got a glass front. The back has been done, so it's ready to hang. Very, very well done. And I am asking $30 for item number 24. Okay, the last item for my sale. This is item number 25. This is just a little votive holder. And I don't think it was, I think it was originally made this way. So I don't think it was a marriage or anything, but it's got a very pretty little design. I have no idea who made it. I don't even remember where I got it. That's not good, I know. It is it is 9 inches tall. And this is number 25, and I'm asking $8 for number 25 for the votive holder. $8. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you see something you like, just leave a comment, and I'll make sure you get it. Now, head on over to Old Hadley Vintage, and let's keep this train a-going. Bye!